Welcome to SolveSphere Tech. Today, we are taking full control of your Windows 11 system. By default, Microsoft tracks almost everything you do. We're about to change that. This is the Ultimate Windows Privacy Lockdown 2026 edition. Let's get to work. First up, Step 1, Recall. This feature takes constant snapshots of your activity. For maximum privacy, set this to off and make sure to delete any existing snapshots stored on your drive. Step 2, Diagnostics. Head to Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off optional diagnostic data and tailored experiences. We want to minimize the telemetry data sent back to Microsoft. Step 3, Advertising ID. Go to Privacy and Security. Turn off your advertising ID. This stops apps from profiling your behavior to serve you targeted ads. No tracking, no profiling. Step 4, Clear your activity history. Turn off Store My Activity History on this device. Click the Clear button to wipe any previously stored usage logs. Step 5, Permissions. Review your camera and microphone access. You'll be surprised how many apps have permission by default. Go through the list and flip the switch to off for every app that doesn't need them. Step 6, Location. Disable location access. This prevents apps and websites from constantly polling your precise coordinates in the background. Step 7, Clipboard Control. Turn off clipboard history and sync across devices. Keep your clipboard data local to this machine. No cloud syncing means no data leaks. Step 8, Reduce the noise. Turn off tips and suggestions in Start, Settings, and Lock Screen. Clean up your File Explorer and turn off search suggestions. Your OS should work for you, not try to sell you things. Finally, Step 9, Copilot. Head into Copilot Privacy Controls. Turn off Copilot Memory, restrict diagnostic data, and clear your activity. Check your final list, Recall, ID, History, Permissions all locked down. Your Windows is now hardened, leaner, and truly private. Your data, your control. Subscribe to SolveSphere Tech for more professional security guides. See you in the next one.